Hey everyone, in this video, I am gonna show you how to show your work, especially during this time of the year when everyone is working from home, when you're having your online assignments. It may get difficult for some students uh, to realize the importance of showing work. So I will use two examples to tell you how much work you should show just to make sure that your teacher understand your mindset and can see every single step that is going on in your mind. Okay, here is the first example that I want to use. Let's say we are going to solve an equation for x. Here is the equation. 3 plus 1 over x equals 7. So on the left side, I'm going to show some of the steps. And then on the right side, I'm gonna show you the exact way that you should probably follow in order to get full credit on your assignments. Okay, let's say by the way, we are solving this for x. Again, we are going to get the exploit itself. Many of you may realize that we should subtract 3 from the left and 3 from the right. So if you subtract 3 from the left side, the 3's will cancel each other out. You will have a positive 1 over x. So let's just put this down, and then you would bring down that equal, and then you would subtract 3 from the 7. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So for some teachers, this is an okay work. You can get credit for this. Some teachers will give full credit for this. Some will give some partial credit. However, there are going to be definitely teachers, and it's not just one or two teachers. There are going to be many of them who is not going to give any credit for this because you're not showing the steps. Here is what would be better if we follow the way. Okay, so if you know that you're supposed to subtract 3 from both sides, you should put it on the paper. Just like this. So minus 3 from the left, minus 3 from the right. Is this stupid? For some, yeah, but if that's what your grade depends on, just do the stupid thing then. Equals 7 minus 3, 4. Now, the end result so far is the same. 1 over x equals 4 on the left, 1 over x equals 4 on the right. With one single difference, we showed all of the work on the right side. We didn't show any work on the left side. We just wrote the end result. So moving on to the left side. Some students may realize that you should do cross multiply over here. You can even do this mentally. Many students are able to do this. It's fine, again, for some teachers. But some will require you to show the work over here because they're not with you. They don't know what's going on in your mind. And there are countless of websites that can tell you this much of the work. So who knows if you're using one of those websites and then let the website solve the equation for you, just show you the steps, and then you just put that down. In your mind, you may be like, okay, I can get away with this, but the teacher may figure it out. Even if you're not cheating, it's always best to show the work. Okay, so over here on the left side, some students are going to do this. Okay, 4 times x equals 4x, and then the right side has 4. However, it also is equal to 4 over 1. That one and this one right here is going to be multiplied when you do cross multiplication. 1 times 1 equals to 1. So there's nothing wrong with this. It is right, but it's missing the middle steps. On the right side, on the other hand, if you do this over 1 and show that you are doing cross multiplication to end up with that end result, that's always best. 4 times x is 4x. Bring down the equal and then do 1 times 1 equals 1. Now, again, everything is right on the left side, but many teachers will give you partial credit, and as many of those teachers, others will give you no credit. Okay, on the left side again, you should divide both of the sides by 4. But when you don't write this and let's just get rid of this. When you just do 4 divided by 4 is just 1x. 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. Once again, this is not false. All of these statements on the left side are a true statement. However, they are missing the steps. So over here, when you show that you are dividing it by 4 to end up with x equals 1 over 4, now you're giving the message, you're sending the right message to your teacher that you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. Even if you know what you're doing, when you show your work, like the one on the left side, it's sending mixed messages to your teacher. So try to show as many steps as possible, especially when you are working with your online assignments. So this was the first example that I want to use. Let me see how long this video is. Based on that one, I will either record another one. Oops, I keep doing this. Okay, it's already been 6 minutes. So I will give you another example in another video, guys. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in another video.